friends, welcome. I am Urmila Dugude, and now today in our drawing class we are going to learn third lesson, face and its features. Okay, and in previous period we already learned about how to draw faces. Are you remember? So remember, we learned how to draw figures using different letters. Faces are included in them. Then we also use different shapes, basic shapes. Using cutouts, we learn how to draw well figures, and using letters we also try this. Now today particularly we are going to learn how to draw a natural face. What are the proportions? The face having nose, eyes, lips, 4-5 parts. So they are all proportionate to each other. That's why we are looking so nice. You know that. So what are the proportions? Let's see the blackboard. For that, draw a big oval shape. And now mark the levels. The upper side and the lower side. This point indicates, this level indicates chin level. Okay, and now here head, we have to participate equally this oval vertically and horizontally, both. So let's check it out, or you can measure in the scale in this way. Let's do the equal part vertically and horizontally. Check it out. This. I am not counting here. That's why a little bit mistake may be done. So ignore it. Simply remember, you have to participate this oval shape into equal parts. Understand? This way, this horizontal line, also one more level, and this level is an eye level. Always remember, this is very important level for you. Eye level it is. Okay, we have to draw two eyes here only. Now, what's this oval shape? We have to draw here eyes. For that, let's divide it again into again equal parts. This part equally, this part equally. portion is same also. In this way we get two eyes proper place. This much portion and this much portion same, because this horizontal line equally divides this oval shape. Now we have this downside part. So again divide this part equally again. So count this much distance and divide it. So we can imagine the equal part, or you can count, no problem. So this level is nose end here. Look here. Our nose ends here. Okay. Now we have again one more part. So for that, lips remains, our speech remains. So do one more thing. Again do the same. Again divide it into equal parts. One more level we get. Lips are here. Simply join them. This part is following. Right? This is also equal. This portion and this portion are visible. So in this way, eyes, nose and lips we get. This chin portion more. Now the upper part is for forehead and hairs. Okay. So the hairs, it's depend upon hairstyle or forehead length. Then also divide this part also equally, or depends upon that person. Very simple it is. When I use my scale, right? It's better. In this way, this is the middle line. Divides half and half. Two-sided equal portions. Our face is symmetrical. So this front face always symmetrical. When we learn about the side view and the back, then we have to draw the proper proportions and that particular outlines we have to find out watching that particular person or imagination. We use memorize how persons looks, how the small kids look, and then we can try to draw. But when we have to draw a front face, it is very easy to draw these, because we equally divides all the parts, because this front face drawing is always symmetrical. Understand? So remember the horizontal line always, the middle line, starting from the eyes you have to draw your drawing. Understand? So this page is given in your textbook, page number 20. Before that, we will decide where is our ears located? Now let's find out. Here we have two levels, eye and nose. Here, this side left and right. Okay. So this much portion, this much is the length of ears. Always remember it. This length is for ears only. This is the common features how to draw a front face. Understand? So it is very easy to memorize this. Take a oval shape, equally divide it, draw a horizontal line, then equally divide with a vertical line, then we get this downside portion. Again divide it equally, we get nose level. The remaining portion again divide it equally, we get lips location, and the chin is, we already decide at first. Understand? In this way, the simple meaning and simple steps how to draw a front face. So let's see the book, what is given there. See friends, here oval shape and drawn first. So what are the steps? Before that, we have to learn these two lines. We have learned to draw human figures from letters and shapes. Yes, we already learned that. Now, let's learn to draw human figures in more detail. Okay, let's start by drawing facial features. These are the facial features. These are some lines. The face can be built using 5 main reference lines. These are all reference lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. So what are the steps? We will see here. First one, draw an oval for a face, this dark portion. Make the chin and head line on the top and bottom. This is head line and the bottom chin line we have here. Then divide the oval into half, vertically and horizontally. The horizontal line is eye line, and divide the area between the eye line and the chin. To make it equally, we get nose line. Okay, then divide the area between nose, this line, and the chin line. Equally again, we get here mouth line. After that, draw ears from eye line to nose line, here only. Understand? And when we consider this middle here, we get a circle portion. So if you have any difficulty how to draw a oval shape, let's watch the blackboard again. When you have any difficulty to draw a oval shape, draw first only a circle like this, circular portion, and simply add the lower part. You will get a proper oval shape. Easy to draw. This like this. Try these two lines more and more time. You will draw it very easily. Okay. Understand? And always remember this level indicates a nose. Always remember. And when we divide this, we get here lips. Try to draw the equal parts. Divide it equally. And when we half this whole portion, we get here eyes. Like this. And this much portion is for our ears. Understand? It's simple it is. This is also one more trick to remember how to draw a front face. Okay, let's come to the book again. See friends, the next page 21, eyes and lips. Follow the steps and draw a pair of eyes in the given space. Here we have given some empty space, you see. Follow the steps and draw lips in the given space. So steps are given here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 for lips, and again for 6 for eyes only. So draw simply a small two balls, then cover up it using a curve and the downward curve, and then draw eyelashes like this and darken the middle portion. Very simple steps are there. Here also very simple steps. So you try it and complete it. It is your homework, remember. Now turn the page. Page number 22, nose and ears. Again we have 6 and 6, 12 steps. So for each 6 steps are there. Follow the steps and draw nose in the given space like this. Follow the steps and draw ear in the given space. Look here, elliptical like shape, small shape is drawn here. Then one small arc and big arc, upward and downside, and again the vertically the two arcs are there. Very simple it is, so you can draw it, I know that. And here you have to draw a rectangular portion first, after that a big arc, and then continue this arc downside like this, and you will get the final figure here. So try to draw this on the rough pages first and then apply here if you don't have any confidence. See the next one. Draw eyes, nose, ears and lips in the below face outline. We have here outline of this book. So let's try to complete this. What's this page 23? We have to complete this with eyes, nose, ears and lips. So just I told you, divide this oval shape equally. First of all, we don't have equal parts here. Better wait to count it. Here we get 10. Now this is the fifth one. Same. Yes. The small error we do it. Well, from this line. Now, no mistake at all. Okay, this way. We count this line now. Fourteen and half here. So 7 and 2, 3 lines here only. This much. Like this. Draw very light lines so that we can easily remove them. Now just I told you these lines indicate a eye level. Well, I show you the figure one more time, or you can watch in your textbook. So keep always your textbook when I look here, this one. This line we draw already, horizontal line, and this vertical line also we draw already. Okay, now this circular space where ends we get nose, or when we have this portion we get nose portion here. So let's complete the eyes, then nose, and then lips. Okay, again friends, take the middle points eyeball points, and then eyes, upper lid and lower lid. We can draw eyebrows. We can give shapes. But consider this length always same. Maybe it's short. It's always same. Symmetrical, I told you already. Very symmetrical. So this length is same. In this way we get a circle here. But the next step told you that equal this part. So 7 semi. So equally we get 3.5. This much. So here our nose drawing. You learned it already. How to draw nose and how to draw eyes, how to draw. Well, these two portions are equal. See friends, when we draw like this, the nose shape not looking so nice. So that's why it's better to take this arc little downside. Okay, this way. So cancel it. These are nostrils, you know. Here. Now again half this portion. So let's count. Consider 3. So 1.5 we have here. Again mark the line. It's better. Now upper lip and lower lip. Mark here also the same portion, and this leaf generally here only, but no problem. Follow the instruction given in your textbook, no problem. This much, same portion. This way we get a face. Okay, so we can draw hairstyles also. Always compare the lines so it's easy to mark well. Now here only this much portion, the ears are there. Okay, you can convert this face in any person, boy, girl, or any adult, no problem. Watch any take a help of any face, and then with the reference of that face you can draw a proper proportionate face. But remember, always take mark the levels first: the nose line, eye line, and lips line. Must follow these instructions. Understand? So turn the page. Here again we have hands and feet, the other body parts. 6 steps here also, 6 steps here also. So we have to draw a small circle first, and like this follow the second step, and finally you will get this drawing. So you try to draw these. Here in the next page 25 we get different actions of hands and feet. Okay, so this is the normal feet, and this is the action here. So here also 2 actions we see here, only 3 fingers we see, and whole fingers we can see. 5. Then how they mark the lines, reference lines they are taken always. So reference lines are always useful to draw any shape. See here, this is the reference lines where this point starts and from where this point starts. So after comparing this, you will find out this much distance we have to consider. When we draw this upper line and this level, so we can consider this much portion we have to keep as space to catch anything. Like this here also, always remember our little finger is small, so these lines are indicates the middle finger is always long. So don't draw like this in the same level. We have to cross them always in a arc like portion and then divide them like this. Okay, so arc like portion always useful to you. Suppose take an example here, another from this, because it is your homework to copy them. Try to copy them in a proportionate marking. Okay, so, well, this is my hand. So watch this action here. Very natural it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers we can see, but here this is the reference line, and this is one more reference line, this is one more reference line. Like this. watch this gap, arc like portion. We can correct after that by checking comparison, which line is curved, which one is up, which one is more downside. Like this, by comparing we can correct. But when we draw the reference lines, we get action. Okay, so this finger is wrong. When we draw this arc like this, watch one more time. So it is big one. We can understand our mistakes from that also. This much portion looks nice, so this is wrong one. In this way we can correct all the things and how to draw, learn more actions of our hands, our own hand. Understand? So try to draw this and afterwards try to draw different types of sketches, but for that take another book to you. Okay, now turn the page. Here the next part is, I think, not finished in our period. So friends, we will leave here. In the next period we will learn about this whole body proportions. What are the half portion, and half portion includes how much heads, like this the head is proportion unit for that. So how using our head length we can understand the measurements of other our body parts. Okay, we will learn it in the next period. Till then, goodbye and good day.